Hey guys, I trust you're good. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through a simple 4 steps to claim your 3 years BlueHost Web Hosting plus free domain as well for only $95. And if you're going to follow me through these steps, I've explained it for you in this tutorial, you will discover the simple steps to claim this web hosting package plus free domain name with just around $95 with all other Bluehost packages. This is going to be wonderful. These steps works for everyone irrespective of the country where you are right now that you are watching this. It works for every country as long as you can pay online either with credit card or with PayPal. These steps is going to work for you. Without further ado, let me quickly walk you through the step. The very first thing here is, in case you don't know much about Bluehost, Bluehost has been my favorite web hosting provider. And I love them for one thing, for their quality services, which has made them the best. Their site speed is second to none. Their support is wonderful, is incomparable. That's why I love them and I recommend you use them as well. So the very first thing you have to take note of is this, which are the requirements which I have listed for you here. Please, you have to take good note of them. You have to follow this simple tutorial if you actually want to claim the 3 years web hosting from Bluehost for that penny. The first requirement, you need to use a laptop. You need to use a laptop, and this is the number one thing I would recommend for you. Wherever you're watching this, try this on your laptop. Then the number two is I also recommend you use Google Chrome browser. I recommend you use this browser. It works fine as well. Yes, I've used this browser and every time I tried it, it works fine. And one of the important thing to take note of is this. If you actually want these steps to work for you, make sure you clear your browser cache and your cookies. Is very important. Without these two things, you won't be able to claim the hosting packages for that ridiculous amount. So when you can just do all these three things, you will be able to get your web hosting packages for that $95. So if you are watching the video right from YouTube right now, just the link below is there to follow me as well with the tutorial. And if you're on my blog, just follow me through as I've explained. Now let's go with the step one. Step one is you creating your account. You have to create an account with them, and the very simple step is to open up Blue's website by clicking this link here. And if you are watching on YouTube right now, click down the below button. There is a link below the video. Really, yeah, just click on that link. You will land. Once you click on the link, it's going to take you to Blue's website. This is their website. Then once you click on the website, let's come back to the step one. You click on get started button, then you select a plan, then you also enter your domain as well. So I'll walk you through the step right now. So when you get to the website, click on the get started now button. Once you click on the get started now button, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to select a plan. This step this simple tutorial steps works fine with our basic plan. And if you are just starting out online, or you're looking for one of the best hosting providers to actually go for, and you don't want to spend much, you want to save a lot of money, also possibly you want to divert the money into some other kind of business of yours, the basic plan is is recommended for you, just for as a starter. So as times goes by, as your business begins to expand, you can upgrade to the plus plan and the choice plan. But since you're just getting started, the basic plan is okay for you to get started with. And the same simple step I'm explaining to you also works with the basic plan. So select the basic plan as well. So once you select the basic plan, it's going to take you to where you're going to sign up. Then the very first thing you will do is to enter your preferred domain. Your preferred domain for your website, enter it. And don't forget, like I said, they are also going to give you a free domain name as well, a free domain name for a year. So once you enter your domain name and the extension you want, possibly .com extension, which is one of the most popular extension, click on next. Then once you click on next, it's going to take you to the main page where you're going to create your account, and this is the exact place where the whole thing is going to be happening right now. Let me walk you through the step. Now let's move on to step 2. So once you're done, like I said, before you move on to step 2, you don't fill up any information yet. Yes, on this page, don't fill up any information yet. Don't fill up. Then let's go back to step 2. Now at this point, what you should do is gently hover your mouse towards the exit tab of the page, like I said, towards the X sign of the page. Let me quickly show you how that is done. Watch my mouse, watch as I hover my mouse on the screen right now. So I gently hover my mouse towards the exit side of the page. So don't close the page, just hover your mouse toward the exit side. You will notice something, just as I've explained here, that a blue each discount offer should pop up on the screen with a green button, claim saving, of which that was what we saw right now. That's a special sign up offer now which has popped up. So here you are promised to be given a free domain registration and unbeatable hosting package, hosting savings, which is fine. So the next thing you should do now is click on claim savings. Click on the green claim savings. So once you click on the green button, claim savings, it's going to reload the page for you. This is where you fill up your information. At this point, this is where you enter your name. This is where you enter your business name, your business profile, your country. You enter this info and give them your correct information, your phone number, email address. Then once you're done, come to the package information. By default, you will notice that the basic 36-month plan is selected by default. 36-month plan is the 3 years web hosting packages, which they are giving to you at the price, and with also your free domain name and free XXL. That's your security, free website security. So just as I've explained here, you now on the step 3 section, now go ahead and fill up your information. By default, the 36-month plan, which is the 3 years hosting, will be selected. Just leave it as it was. Now this is where we are going to take the action. This is where we are going to do some follow some steps again. So at this place, there are 3 things we have to uncheck. You have to uncheck the domain privacy, the code guard basic, the site log security as well. So now leave this place as it is. So then the next thing is under the page package extras. So under the package extras, we would have to unselect all of them. We have to select all of them so that we can claim our 36-month hosting package for $95. So the very first thing is select the site log security and also select the code guard basic security, the code guard basic as well. You will notice something. At this point, we've been able to save $192, which is 66% off, which is fine, and the price we'll be paying here is 107.28. Good, but don't forget, we want to get it at $95.4, which is approximately $95 here. So you have to uncheck the domain privacy protection as well here. So at this point, your discretion is needed. If you think or you value more of privacy for your domain, you can leave this option like this, and that is going to be a $0.99 fee per month on your domain. So but if you actually want to claim the $95 dollars for the basic plan, you have to uncheck this. So let's do that right now by unchecking this. When you uncheck this, a pop-up like this is going to come out again. If you want to keep the domain privacy, click here, but don't forget that there will be an added extra fee of 99 cents per month. So if you don't want that, if you don't mind, just click on turn it off. So once you click on the turn it off, it's going to come back to the page, and now under the package extra, we've unchecked every package, every extras added to the domain. Now we now have $95.40 as our charges here for the 3 years web hosting, and now we've been able to save $192, so which is fine. Then let's move on to the next step. The next step here is the payment option, stage. So there are two options for you. You can either pay with your credit card or you pay with your PayPal. So once you select your preferred method of payment, you agree to their terms and submit. This is exactly what I'm trying to say, what I'm talking about. By default, the credit card option will be shown. So let's click on the more payment option to bring out the PayPal option as well. So if you prefer the credit card option, you can click the credit card option while you fill up your credit card details and then everything. And if you prefer to go with PayPal, of which that's my preferred method of payment as well, when I'm making payment online, I love to use PayPal. So I pay with PayPal. So pay with PayPal. Then once you're done, click on their terms, accept their terms of service. So once you agree to their terms, then you click on submit. So once you click on submit, you make your payment, and that is how easy it is for you to be able to claim your 3 years BlueHost web hosting package with a free domain for only $95. So that's very simple and very straightforward. So click down the below button right now. You'll be taken down to the BlueHost website page, and with the same tutorial, with the same step that I've explained to you here, you'll be able to get it for $95. And if you are right on my blog as well, you can follow the blog, follow the steps that I've explained. Click the link here, you'll be taken to their website and follow the simple tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you can also check out our blog as well. We have a lot of helpful tutorials in the category of blogging, the category of entrepreneurship, business, productivity, lifestyle as well. I'm very certain you have a lot to enjoy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.